Hello, my name's Michael Jonas, and I'm the Funding Assistant at the Carmarthenshire Association of Voluntary Services, or CAVS to our friends, and here are my top 5 tips for a successful grant application. 1. Check the funding criteria. Always be sure to read through the application criteria and guidelines, reviewing the fund website for projects that have previously been awarded funding. Submit your application within plenty of time so that you don't fall foul of deadlines, including time of day. 2. Be community-led. Do as much consultation with your community as possible before you make your application, as many funders want to see that you're meeting local needs. Think about local organizations that you can work in partnership with. 3. Be clear about how you will use the funds. Provide a concise breakdown of spending and timeframes, including multiple quotations to show value for money. Make sure that your budget accurately reflects your project proposal. 4. Have your documents in order. Most funders will request your policies, so have at least your safeguarding, EDI, and health and safety policies up to date and fit for purpose. You might also consider developing policies for Welsh language, volunteering, environmental protection, and data protection. Also, make sure that your governing document is up to date and signed by all relevant directors or trustees. Finally, review before submission. Have someone else read through your application, checking for spelling, grammar, and consistency. Ensure that you have included all required documents and attachments. CAVS can help guide you through these processes with advice on everything from governance and policies to potential funding, training, and volunteering. So get in touch with us for a range of advice, or if you want help with funding, contact me directly on michael.jonas@cavs.org.uk. Thanks for listening.